y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have a flip through of 3 different sticker books that are part of the Back to School Happy Planner release. I have Brave Teacher in the big colorful things and Modern Bookish in the big. So if you are interested in seeing these flip throughs, make sure to stay tuned. Okay, the Happy Planner preview is up on the website. You can follow the links in my description box to check out the preview, make your list. The collection goes live on May the 3rd. So that's when you can actually purchase. The links down below are affiliate links. I would really appreciate it if you plan to purchase, if you come back, use an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it really goes a long way towards helping out my channel. So let's just kind of dive right in. Let's start with Brave Teacher. A lot of times these teacher sticker books are themed for teachers, but we can use them in a lot of different ways. This one has a ton of teacher ones. Teachers make a world of difference. Pretty foiling. That is pretty. Checklist stickers. I love the colors. Give them something great to imitate. Circle stickers. Life happens. Coffee helps. That's very true. That's pretty. I like this size of box. This is the big size again. Take note. To do today. Again, see how these can be used for any occupation. That's pretty. It's like giving you like coffee shop vibes. Make today the best day ever. Work hard, be kind. Noted. I like the little paper. You get your study on. We have some silver foiling on these. For the love of learning. Love this class. Let's keep it first. All the coffee. That's me every day. All right, here's all your like marking on your monthly calendar. Grade papers, a whole page of those. Happy birthday to mark off student birthdays or other teacher birthdays or any birthdays. You don't just teach, you inspire. Booked all day. World needs more of what you have. I love that. Only the brave choose to teach. Give them something great to imitate. I really like that phrase. Being a teacher makes a positive difference in lives every day. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. Truth. Assignments. Don't forget all of these circle stickers. This one clear. Back to paper. So this feels like it's super functional for teachers, you guys. And I think it'd be functional for a lot of people. If this is like your vibe, you could certainly make this work for you. But as a teacher, tons of the stickers you would need. For sure. I'm already thinking of teacher friends that are going to love this. I like the little hand-drawn look. Like those are really adorable. And then some, oh, that's fun. Some alphas at the end. You have silver foil. And you have the red. I like it. So that is Brave Teacher in the big size. Then Modern Bookish. And I can tell you a lot of people on the squad were super excited about this. This is, again, size for the big. Because look at all of these beautiful pictures. This is where the magic begins. Always the dreamer. Every time she reads, she is home. Oh, those are beautiful. And then without the foil. Wait, those are not the same. They're a little bit different. Some of the same pictures, but different sayings. Huh, that's interesting. Sleep in late, lay in the sun, read until dawn, live simply. Those are beautiful. Oh my gosh, you could do. My brain is churning with ideas for spreads with this. I like these kind of oval-y shapes. These extended ovals. List it out, maybe the books you're currently reading. Quiet the noise and you will hear the peace. Put your heart into it. Oh, I love this. All right, I kind of want the classic size of this one too. This is so beautiful. It's soft. This one is really pretty. Teaching this week. Okay, this is like geared towards teachers, but maybe you teach Bible study, you know, maybe it's something like that. Also, you could just cut out, like you could cut around the teaching, and it would just say this week, and that would be super cute. Reading this month. Lesson plan this week. Again, just cut out the little oval, the half circle, I mean, and it says this week. No big deal if you don't need the lesson plan. Reschedule. Cancel, day off. See all of these. No school. A lot of us can use that. Testing. Not everyone can use that one. Meeting, conference, appointment. Those are all things for sure. Class party, we can't always use. Assembly, we can't always use. But birthdays, grade paper, maybe not important. Oh, those are pretty. Focus. Tons of those. Today. These are really neutral again. That's pretty. Oh, look at the little flags. You guys. That's pretty. Oh, I love that. That might be my favorite page. This is on clear sticker paper. These like washi strips. Very subtle. Again, on clear sticker paper. Caffeine and confidence. Number one priority. So very busy. Make today great. Plan on it. Hooray for the weekend. So excited for the weekend. Finally the weekend. Yes, we all can do that. Do. Good for work. For sure. Plan, call, email. Very functional. These are on clear. Those are beautiful. I love the pictures. I'm loving them. Make the most of today. It will all be all right. Collect moments, not things. Love all the phrases. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, that's modern bookish. That's in the big size. And then we have colorful things. This one, of course, is right up my alley because it's all the color. This is actually sized for a dashboard planner because the planner that coordinates with this is dashboard. You can use any size sticker, any layout sticker in any layout. There's, no rhyme or reason, but I know some people really like to know. Create what you love. Enjoy your life. So cute. Live what you love. See good in all things. Oh, I love this. Laugh more, worry less. These inspirational words and bright colors, like, yes, please. Love all the bullet points too. On clear with foil, I'm going to be using this one up. So cute. Fall in love with moments. Heart of gratitude. I love all of the words of affirmation. It is so pretty. Okay, so far very decorative. Let's see if now we've got some function coming in with some boxes. Again, size for the dashboard. More boxes. So pretty. If these like outlined in black, like you could combine this sticker book with the black and white sticker book, I think you'd love it. To-do list, notes, more functional boxes. I'm just so happy to be me. Look at that. Oh, I love this sticker book. This is me. This is my vibe. I love it. Deadline, vacay, chores. These are little half circles. Plan, shopping, activity, agenda, important reminder. All those are half circles. Same thing, but this time without foil. Brunch, take out, relax. Love all of those. These, I believe, it's hard to see. These are going to be washi strips or, faux washi strips. Love the mixed media feel. This would go really well with the mixed media mom planner too. Totally. This life is meant for dreaming. All this is in foil, unclear. Still clear and still foiled, but now with color. Now without the foil, still unclear. Now these are, vertical boxes, but you can put them any which way. They have some quotes on some of them, and some of them are just decorative. Oh, these are cute. You guys, none of these have quotes. You could totally write on the top of those. Black pen, that would be so pretty. A lot of functional boxes. This is a good mix. At first I thought it was going to be all decorative, but I think it's a pretty good mix. Look at that. That's beautiful. I love it. Love the colors. So cute. Black, and then you have the colored, and then, oh, these are fun. These are fun to play with. This is all in clear. Oh, I like that. Those are going to be super fun to layer up and play with. That's awesome. Love, love, love that. So that one is Colorful Things. So I got Brave Teacher, Modern Bookish, and Colorful Things. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one is kind of your vibe, or if you've seen some others that you're super interested in on the preview. Let me know below too, because I'm currently making my wish list as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I will link these down below. Again, these will go on sale on May the 3rd. Check the description box for this video for all of the info. If you are planning to shop, I would really appreciate it if you would use those affiliate links. Helps me out a ton. And I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I hope that you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.